Hello everyone, so we are the group from BSIT 3G and we are here to present our final project in NetA 1 or Advanced Network. So for the first part, company description. Renovist Techco Mexico is a fast-growing technology solution provider specializing in cloud services, IT consulting, and software development for business across Central Luzon. The company operates from three strategic locations to serve clients efficiently and ensure high availability of services. Business networking requirements. Secure inter-branch communications, reliable one, link, yan yung mga ganun. And the second one is the centralized network management, DHCP server, at headquarters for automated IP assignments, dynamic and scalable routing, DAGRP, implementation for efficient route and failover. Testing and failover, test network connectivity, failures and performances to check for reliability, and for the last, security. Meron din tayong ganyan. Quick device authentication, password encryption, and access control. And for the part 2 will be presented by Charles.
I'm Joshua Dutu. So I'm explaining the part of the network design planning. So the network design planning is, as you can see, the connection between the branches. Then we have the intercity, the physical view.
Wala sounds.
City physical view. Wait lang.
Di ano lang, cut na lang yan. Start na sa part 2. Yan.
Sige. Part 2, network design and planning. So as you can see, we have the three branches, the headquarters, the San Fernando, and the Bacolor branch. Then the intercity physical view, as you can see, then city physical view. So moving on, this is what the actual physical view of each branch. The headquarters, you can see that's San Fernando branch, then Bacolor branch. Moving on, explanation of design decisions. So each was a central hub. So this is the where all the communication happens in the railway sector. Then we have the serial one links or WAN. This is the serial connections, the DHCP centralization. This is where the DHCP pools are. Then the EIGRP for routing, as you can see, is the scalability of the connection. Then the subnetting, as you can see, is here are the subnets. Now for the part 3, configuration and implementation. So this is where we set up the network topology. As you can see here, the devices are listed. So the headquarters is the root of the railway stack. We have one router, one switch, 5 PCs, one laptop, and one server. In the San Fernando branch, we have a one router, one switch, 5 PCs, and one laptop. Then the Bacolor branch, we have one router, one switch, 5 PCs, and one laptop. Then how the devices are connected with cables. So as you can see, within each location, with a upper state 2 cable, router to switch to PC. Then the between locations, the connection between the new serial cables of the router, you can see, headquarters, then the San Fernando and back router. Now for number 2, configure the device. Kasi here are all the our configuration for the router. So for the Luis HU router, since it's very long, then the configuration for San Fernando router. Then lastly, the configuration for Bacolor router. So you can see it's really a simple configuration. We enable, then configure the terminal, then the domain lookup, then all the simple stuff. So then we have the configure HU switch. This is the configuration and the step-by-step process for HU switch, then San Fernando switch, then Bacolor switch. Then the DHCP IP config. The DHCP of devices in San Fernando, Bacolor, and server IP address config. Then the testing verification. It's a successful. Then moving on, it will be presented by Angelo Reyes for the part 4.
For the part 4, advanced testing and analysis. Number 1, simulate test. Test the network under normal and failure scenarios. Simulate device or link failures to verify redundancy mechanism. So I will show you on how to configure the routers every branch. So here now, nandito tayo ngayon sa aking packet tracer. So first, we should shut down for the San Fernando. First, we should enter our password. We'll do is like enable it. Then another password for the secret password. SF. Then configure terminal. For the serial, we should interface serial 0/3/0. Then we should shut down it. As you can see, the arrow is down. So for the down of the switch, router to switch, go to the router again. Exit. Interface gigabit, gig for short, 0/0. Then shut down again. As you can see, the router and the switch is down. Now we can configure in the headquarters router. First, we should enter again the password. Enable it for the secret password. Enable. Configure. ConFT for short. Show IP. Show IP route and show IP EIGRP neighbors. As you can see, in the neighbors, only the Bacolor branch have the access. And for the San Fernando branch, it didn't appear kasi nga nag-shutdown tayo. So, to restore it again, you should go again to router, no shutdown. For the serial, exit, interface, serial, 0/0/3/0, then no shutdown. So as you can see, the connectivity of the San Fernando and the headquarters have been reconnected. Now for the Bacolor branch, you should enter the console, enable, then secret password, conf key, int g, int s, 0/3/1 for the branch of Bacolor. Shut down it. For the router to switch, int g, 0/0, shut down again. Now it has a no connection for the router, for the HQ router. To show the configuration, show IP route, and show IP EIGRP neighbors. This time, the San Fernando is the only address in the neighbors. And for the Bacolor, wala siyang access sa ating headquarters. Now, para makabalik tayo, para mabigyan ng access ang Bacolor, we should no shutdown it. Patulad din sa serial, in test 0/3/1, no shutdown. Ayan, nakabalik na siya sa service or may connection na ang ating Bacolor at ang ating San Fernando branch. For the result naman, ito yung restore. Show IP route, show IP EIGRP neighbors. Ayan. As you can see, dalawa na ang ating router. Meron na siyang nakakonek na sila sa ating headquarters at ganoon din sa ating internet connectivity. Like 192.168.2.4/24 and 192.168.3/0/24. So, para naman, kunwari, nawalan ng serial, tatanggalin natin ng serial, punta tayo sa physical. So, kanina, ano yan? Ganito yan.
Diyan lang.
Natin.
14 minutes, sumabot.
May ikat na yan. Ikat na yan, di ba?
I-explain mo pa yun, di ba? Baka sumubos ko.
Ano?
Sige, tingnan na lang natin.
Tapos, delete. Delete the cable. Ayan, wala na siyang connection. Then, show IP route. Show IP EIGRP topology. The topology will define if the connectivity is passive, active, update, query, reply, or reply status. So, balik natin. Para sa San Fernando branch naman, ay sa Bacolor branch naman ang tatanggalin natin ng IP. Ay, serial. Sa ibaba. Delete the cable. Ayan, walang connection ng Bacolor. So, configure din natin. EIGRP topology. As you can see, katulad lang siya sa San Fernando na makikita mo lang ang connectivity ng Bacolor if passive siya or active, update, query, or reply status. Now for the restore, we should connect it again. Dapat parehas ang serial number na pipiliin mo para mag-connect siya. Kasi hindi siya magkoconnect kung ibang serial ang ginamit mo. So IP EIGRP topology. Ayan. So as you can see, passive lahat ang ating connectivity. Wala silang delay or anything na magpapabagal sa connectivity ng ating mga routers. And for the release and IP config all, IP release and IP renew, baba mo, Charles. For the HU, as you can see, zoom in mo yan. And IP config is the on the PC, it was command na makikita mo lahat ng connectivity ng bawat router. So, ayan. IP config renew, kapag nawala yung mga IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server. And for the IP config release, ito yung tawag dito. Itong command na to ay yung mawawala lahat ng IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, at DNS server. For the Bacolor, ganun din. Papakita niya lahat ng connection. Sige, baba. Sige pa. Same as the San Fernando branch. IP config, all IP config renew, and IP config release. This assert will test network latency performed as a trace route. Ito yung magpapakita ng mga minutes or mga IP address ng mga per PC. Per PC or per router. Baba pa. Wala na. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.
Thank you guys.
Wait lang. Wait. Sumasobra.